Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Muhammad Shafiq bin MUSTAFA Kamal. I am from class KCS1102L. So guys, today we're gonna learn about application of differentiation. What is differentiation? Differentiation is a process of finding a function that outputs the rate of change of one variable with respect to another variable. So next, why we use differentiation? Differentiation allows us to find rates of change. For example, it allows us to find the rate of change of velocity with respect to time, which is acceleration. It also allows us to find the rate of change of x with respect to y, which on a graph of y against x is the gradient of the curve. So today we're gonna use the formula for the volume of our situation, which is to calculate the volume of cube. We will use the formula length time width time height. Alright, so guys, we're gonna learn about related rates. So there are three objectives of related rates. Number one, to use knowledge of derivatives to solve related rates problem. Number two, to find the rate of change of one quantity knowing the rate of change of another quantity. Number three, to find the rates of change of more related variables that are changing with respect to time. So guys, that's it from me. Right now, I will give it to HAIQAL HUDA to tell us about the problem statement.
Sayang, 6 lagi ke?
Tapi saya...
Wrong book. Okay guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is HAIQAL and I'm with my other 3 members for calculus, group calculus. And today we are going to talk about application of differentiation, which is related rates.
We have a problem to solve, and the problem is we have an ice, so we want to find the decrease rate for the ice during the melting, during the ice melt, and we actually want to find the size when it decrease at the rate of 30 cm cubic per second. Yes, that is what I'm trying to say. And we want to find the rate of change to the sides at decreasing rate of 30 cm cubic per second. Okay, so I'm going to pass this to AKMAL, my friend here, and he's going to explain how to solve.
This is an example of related rates topic from application of differentiation topic. From the question given, a group of students are making and observing towards the volume of ice cube decrease at the rate of 30 centimeters cube per second. They want to find the rate of its size to complete their report. The side is 5 centimeters long. I also declared each side as the S in order to make it easier to solve. First of all, we need to understand the content of the question given. Based on this image, I took out the dv over dt equals negative 30, which from the sentence, ice cube decrease at the rate of 30 centimeters cube per second. It becomes negative 30 because of the word decrease. Moreover, we need to find the ds over dt, which means the rate of each side when the side or s equals to 5 centimeters. Next, these are the important formula that we need to use in this problem. The first one is ds over dt equals dv over dt times ds over dv. The second one is v equals s cubed. Then, from the formula that we have just discussed just now, all we have to do is just replace it. dv over dt equals negative 30 and ds over dv equals, we haven't got any value yet. So, in order to find ds over dv, we must use the second formula that we have got. It's the volume formula of cube, which is v equals s cubed. All we need to do is differentiate the v and flip it just to make it ds over dv. But don't forget to flip the 3s squared also, and it will be 1 over 3s squared. After we've got the value of ds over dv, put it at the first formula and multiply it with negative 30, and it will be negative 10 over s squared. Finally, this is our last step in order to solve the problem. All we have to do is replace the s with 5, and the answer will be negative 0.4. Problem solved. Thanks.
In the conclusion, every side of the cube will be decreased by 0.4 cm per second. So, you guys can follow this tutorial to solve any problem that involves the rate of change of the cube sides only. So, I think our objective to learn about related rate is succeed. Thank you.